Look.
Is this a live thing?
Yes, there's a fox going down the railway. Look. Look.
You got it?
Yeah.
He's calm. Oh my god, it's so... He's calm.
You leave it! Get on back to him! You get on back to him! Sir Patrick Martin, the huntsman. Now! Get on back to him! Go on! Get your head up! Come here. Yeah. Come here. Good dog. Come here. It's all right. Good dog. Come here. Hey. Go on! Get on back to him! Get on back to him! To him!
You're back on the public right of way, please.
What's it going to do with you?
You get back on the public.
I've just stopped your hounds chasing a fox on a live railway line.
Right of way.
I've just stopped your hounds chasing a fox on a railway line.
Right away.
You should be thanking me for that. Oh, no, seriously, are you all on? There's a hound still on the railway.
Put her back on.
Get the hounds off.
Down there, Benjamin. This way now.
This is why a train wasn't coming along.
Oh, fucking hell. Wish a fucking train had come along and smacked you.
Okay. I better hide this, get this back out there. Look, you had it there.
Just saved a load of your hounds from probably being killed, and that's all you can come out with.
And a homophobic language as well.
Islamic energy usual on the railway line.
Members of your hunt have just thanked her, so don't start having a go. Because all you have to come out with is homophobic stuff, and she's just been thanked.
So tell me you're not a lesbian then?
Oh.